Thank you very much. How are you, Tilot? Tama.
520.
Ay, wala kang papel?
Wala
O, 5 na lang.
Ha?
Ayun, walang papel?
Wala. Hindi, daddy, meron na. Yung pwede hinihingi niya. Ito, 500 na lang.
Sige, sige. It's 500, guys. And girls. See that? Day 46 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. What a wonderful morning. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing. Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or pyramiding scams. Avoid with that, okay? You can make it, of course. Day 46. Road to 1 million pesos. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. 500. Supposed to be 520. Bye for now.